In this video, I will show you how you can check your prepaid meter balance. In case you just got your meter or you have been using your prepaid meter and you don't know how to check the balance on your prepaid meter. Now this video will guide you on how you can check your prepaid meter balance with a very simple step. All you have to do is just to plug your prepaid meter. Once you plug it, then enter your meter number, that is the number on your meter, the number of your prepaid meter card. Enter it. Once you enter it correctly, make sure you enter the whole 11 digits. If it is not complete, it will not go. So now enter the 11 digits. Once you enter it, press enter. Once you press enter, it will say connect and bring successful message, and it will show a green light. After the green light, you will see your prepaid meter balance. That is how to check your prepaid meter balance. In case you are new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this page for more video. Subscribe to this page for more videos. We share helpful videos that will help you in managing your prepaid meter and anything about your electricity.